Hey guys, Matt here, and today's hiking adventure brings me back to the Florida Trail, and I'm starting here in Stephen Foster State Park, right alongside the Suwannee River. So I'll be doing a section of this today, and it's a real nice day. I was gonna actually come up and camp tonight and then do the trail tomorrow, but it looks like it's gonna be kind of rainy, so I decided to come up this morning and do it, hike the today and then camp tonight, and then that way maybe I can miss out on some of the rain because I have the day off anyway. So it's a real nice day. It's probably maybe upper 60s. I think it's supposed to be low 70s and stuff, so perfect day. Clouds or the fog kind of burned off already, so it's mostly sunny, so it's a perfect day for hiking. So since I'm camping here tonight, I don't have to worry about, time or going or driving back and stuff. So I'll probably try to do at least 15 out and back, somewhere around there. But all right guys, I'll get back with you in a little bit. Alrighty. Hey guys, Matt here. I'm almost 3.5 miles down the trail. It's going really good. It's definitely warmed up some, but the trail's in real good shape, nice and bone dry. Definitely some spots where you can see there'd probably be some kind of like river runoff or water runoff into the river. That would probably be wet, you have to cross, but this time of year it's nice and dry. And definitely warms you up. It's got some rolling hills and stuff along the river. A lot of the trails kind of like up on a ridge, but it's been pretty peaceful. Saw 3 or 4 hikers heading the other way, but other than that, it's been pretty nice and peaceful. You kind of hear a hum of traffic in the distance. I'm guessing it's probably from I-10 maybe, but other than that, real nice. But not sure how far I'll go. I'll probably go about 7 or 8 and then turn around and go back and check into my campsite. So sounds like a pretty good day. So all right guys, I'll get back with you in a little bit. Alrighty. Hey guys, Matt here. About 6.5, a little over 6.5 miles down the trail here. It's been real good. The, the noise I was hearing was from I-75, not I-10. So it looks like up here in about a mile or so, it intersects 75 again for a second time on the trail. The first one at Landbridge, and then this one in Suwannee. But it's been real nice. I haven't seen anybody since I talked to you last. There was almost like a little bit of a road walk. It looked like the trail went between a couple people's property and then kind of down like a little dirt road. And then it cut off into the Suwannee River Water Management District lands. And then it goes up here. So I'm gonna probably either turn around to 75 or right before. And that should give me around, I don't know, 13, 14, somewhere around there. After I make my way back. So. But yeah, it's definitely nice and dry. Lots of pines and stuff. A lot of the trail there was like all pine needle covered. And then a lot of those scrubs and stuff. Seen a few birds and stuff, but nothing else. Now I just get that hum in the background from the traffic. But there's some good little dips in this, like a little dried up, you know, stream beds or something. Hear that, or it's kind of like almost like a flood channel or something that flows down to the river. But definitely get you a little bit on some hills, but nothing too crazy. Not like Torrier. I mean, that would kick my butt. So I'm gonna have to try to maybe get up there again. I think there's some more trails I never got to. But all right, guys, I'll get back with you in a little bit. Alrighty. Hey guys, Matt here. I'm about a little over 9.5 miles down the trail. It's going pretty good. You know, sometimes just kind of get in the groove and kind of tune stuff out and just make the miles go. And it's kind of how I've been the last little bit here. Sometimes it's a little boring on out and back, but sometimes just a different viewpoint kind of makes it almost a little bit new, because you don't see certain things one direction as you do the other. So in a way that's nice, but sometimes it's like I've already seen this, or I've already walked this, so you kind of just drown it out and get the miles done. But it's been real peaceful. I haven't seen it hurt anybody. I turned around there at the Interstate 75, took a break there, and then I've been making my way back. So it should be probably about around 15 by the time I get back, and then I'll go to my campsite and get set up, and hopefully the rain holds off tomorrow morning, but it looks like early morning, so might get a little wet in the mornings, but shouldn't be too heavy or anything. But so all right guys, I'll get back to you when I get back. All right. Hey guys, Matt here. Well, I made it back. It was about 15.25 miles, 15.25 miles. It took about almost 6.5 hours. Well, overall it was a really nice day. A lot warmer than previous hikes, but it's still not too bad. And it was really nice. The trails in real good shape, you know, bone dry everywhere. You know, lots of little rolling hills, almost like a mountain bike trail. Nice views of Suwannee River and everything. So this was the Florida Trail from here at Stephen Foster State Park all the way to Interstate 75 and back. Well, as always, I thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, I should love it if you hit the like button for me. If you have anything for me, let me know about it down below in the comments. I'll get back to you. Well, this is Matt signing off. I'll see you next time. All right, thanks guys.